Let me explain the Knuth-Morris-Pratt algorithm. Naive pattern matching algorithm is iterate string and find matching character, start another loop to check pattern is matching. But Knuth-Morris-Pratt algorithm allows to find pattern with single loop. I will use this text, and let's say we want to find this pattern. First, we create the prefix-suffix array, the LPS. At each position in the pattern, LPS tells us how many characters from the start match the end of what we have so far. The first character always gets 0. The next A repeats the first letter, so we write 1. The next B does not continue the repeat, so we write 0. Same for the following B. We keep applying the same rule until the table is complete. Let's start. If corresponding character is not matched, we increment only text index, however. First character is matched. So we increment both text and pattern index. If there is a mismatch and j is greater than 0, keep I where it is and set j to the LPS value at position j minus 1. Then compare again. If j reached pattern length, it means pattern is found. After pattern is found, we set j to the LPS value at position j minus 1 to check further pattern existence. We repeat this process until the text ends. The algorithm finishes. Knuth-Morris-Pratt algorithm is fast because LPS tells us how far to jump in the pattern on a mismatch, so we never recheck characters in the text. This is how Knuth-Morris-Pratt algorithm work. Thank you for watching.